guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you are looking at this face for the very first time, hello, my name is Falak. I make videos related to lifestyle, DIYs, beauty related stuff, basically anything and everything on this channel. So as you might have guessed from the title by now, in this video I am going to be talking about my fab bag that I have received this month. This is my second fab bag out of the 6-month subscription that I have. So basically I have subscribed for 6 months and this is the second month that I have received the bag. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video first. I'll tell you a little about fab bag and what exactly it is, as some of you might not have an idea about that. So basically fab bag is a subscription bag which looks something like this, and it has goodies inside which you receive every month. Like for the months that you've subscribed for, you can choose a subscription of 1 month, 3 month, 6 month and a 12 month. So if you choose a subscription for 1 month, you are basically paying rupees 599, which is 600 rupees for a month. But as you increase the subscription, the amount gets smaller. For example, if you pay for 6 months like I do, you have to pay 3000 rupees. Now since it's a holiday season, there is a certain amount of discount. I think it is 19%. So if you book your fab bag right now, you can get the whole 6 months for 2800 something, which is a great deal, because I will show you the products that you receive every month and it is crazy. Okay, the deals are crazy, and you get sugar products as well. If you have not seen my previous video, I will link the I button on the screen, and in the description bar I will link the video so that you can see that video. It is insane. The products that I received were insane, like in the last subscription bag, and now we'll get on to the product I have received this month. It is even crazier, trust me. So hang on tight and sit back and let's just start with our first product. Before showing you the first product, I forgot to show you the bag, which is such a stunning piece. Now look at this. This is such a cute bag. It has Santa and mistletoes and candy, thing Christmassy and festival related, and it is white and red. It is a Christmas theme fab bag, and also it has a fab bag logo, as it is the last bag of the year. Make sure that they produce something very festival, appropriate and very Christmassy. So they have produced this bag. Now we'll talk about the products inside in the bag. So once you open this bag, you see these 2 coupons. The first coupon has all the details about the products and the prices of each product that is available in this box. We'll keep it aside. The second will always, most of the times, will be some contest related coupon. For instance, this month is the In My Fab Bag contest. So this is a contest you can participate and win certain goodies. So that's that. Move to the fun part, which is the actual products. So the first product, in no particular order, I'm going to be showing you the products. So the first product, which is common to all, is the Twak fruit whipped body butter. It looks something like this. It is a 50 gram of a product and the MRP of it is 315 rupees and the expiry is 2022. It has no parabens and is cruelty free, has no mineral oils, no sulfate, and is gluten free. And the best part about the product is, oh my god, I just die smelling it. Okay, it smells so nice. I wish you could come out of the screen and actually smell it. It smells amazing, you guys. So yeah, that's the first product in this fab bag this month. So the second product in this bag is the healing clay from Aura de Purity. It has kaolin clay and neem and is 80 grams of a product inside it. It has an expiry, or basically a shelf life, of 6 months. Now in these kind of products, once you open the seal, so after opening the seal, for 6 months you can basically use it. After that it will go bad. I also mentioned the procedure as to how you can use it. So you can mix 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of this in rose water, normal water, apple cider vinegar, and can use it. Normal process, nothing fancy. But for now, yeah, it is the healing clay which I've got as a second product, which is common for all. So everybody has received this in their fab bag. There wasn't any choice. So yeah, this is the second product. You guys, you're not ready to see the third product that I've received, and oh my god, I have received the sugar product again. So the product that I'm going to be talking about, are you ready guys, is the I Dared You So metallic eyeliner from Sugar. Oh my god. So we had a choice. I think there were 3 choices out of which we could choose, and I chose the Purple Pirate. It is a very opaque metallic eyeliner. Now something that I opened it the wrong way, but yeah, something that is so nice. Can you see how opaque this is? And it is amazing, very metallic. Love it. The MRP of it is 700 rupees, you guys, and it is 2 ml of a product with an expiry of 20. It will last me for a really long time, and this thing is opaque, okay, and it will not fade away. It's so beautiful. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and I'm so happy that I chose this, because this is something that I really don't have. I have eyeshadows in this, but not any eyeliner. So guys, are you doing your maths? Till now, we have touched 1500 rupees mark. I mean, we have paid almost 400 rupees for this month's fab bag. Like, I have taken the subscription for 6 months, so basically something about like 500 rupees I've paid, not 400 but 500. But I have received products worth rupees 1500 till now, and I have more to show you. Oh my god, nothing can get better than, I mean, I really, first of all, this video is not sponsored. I have bought this with my own money, but I have had the subscription for the fab bag I think 2 years back as well, and it was for a year, and that time as well I enjoyed it. But this time the deals are even crazier, because every fab bag has sugar product. So last time I received one sugar cosmetic product in my fab bag, and the other came complimentary. This time there are 2. So the second or the fourth product that I'm going to be talking about, the second from the sugar, but the fourth product in the bag that I'm going to be talking about is, drum rolls again, this is my favorite, okay. This is the product which otherwise also is my favorite. It is their matte as hell crayon lipstick in the color Stephanie Plum, and it looks so beautiful. As you can see, it is their mini version. It is not the full version. They have given the mini version, which I think is not for sale, but the price of this is 500. It looks something like this. It is very beautiful plum nude. I don't know how to describe this, but these type of colors are my favorite. Everybody was told that they will receive only these products in their fab bag, but since it was Christmas, so they decided to give us the bonus, which is a full size product, okay. So everybody got something from this brand, which is the Global Beauty Secret. The product that I have received is Greek face mask. Tell me that you are giving me a face mask, and that too a charcoal face mask for free. I am sold, okay. I really love face masks a lot. I don't like the peel off face masks. I am a great fan of face masks. I love to pamper my skin every Saturday. So yeah, I'm excited to be using this. Everybody got different products. For example, somebody got a shampoo or conditioner, some got face masks, some got, I don't know, they were like variety of products from this line that everybody has received. Something like this. The packaging is super classy. It reminds me of Egypt. I don't know why, but it reminds me of Egypt. Like, the fragrance on this is amazing. All the things which were inside this month's fab bag, and I am absolutely loving each and every product from this fab bag. Tell me in the comments down below which one is your favorite. That is the end of the video. I will see you the next time. But before you leave, please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and hit that small notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post my new video. Comment down below and tell me what do you want to see next, or which product did you find the most exciting. Please let me know, and if you want any review, then also please comment in the comment down below so that I can review it for you all. And that is it for this video, you guys. I am gonna be coming up with more such videos and hauls in the future, so stay connected, and yeah, I love you all. Bye.